করেছিলাম এটাতে, অনেক কিছু আমি করলাম যেটা আমি করতে চাইছিলাম না আগে, কিন্তু যেরম আমার ক্যারিয়ার ট্র্যাজেক্টরিটা আগে বেড়েছে, অনেক কিছু আমি অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য সিচুয়েশনস অ্যাডাপ্ট করলাম, আর ওটাই আমাকে একটা মার্কেটিং পজিশনে এনে ফেলেছে, which I'm very proud of. Being a journalist gave me those research skills, which is how I became a digital person. I learned the digital, which was the need of the hour that time. আমি ওটাতে যত কিছু ওই সময় ট্রেন্ডে, কেন কি ডিজিটাল ওয়াজ নট দ্য সার্কিট দ্যাট ইট ইজ রাইট নাও, ওটাতে আমি যেটা শিখতে পারছিলাম আমি ওই সব কিছু শিখেছিলাম। আর অমনি ধীরে ধীরে অফকোর্স মার্কেটিং এ ডিজিটালের অনেক বড় ইনফ্লুয়েন্স, ওটা আমি বুঝতে পারলাম অ্যাজ দ্য মার্কেট ওয়াজ গ্রোয়িং। ওটা থেকেই আমি ব্র্যান্ড সাইডে যখন রিয়েল এস্টেটে ঢুকলাম, রিয়েল এস্টেট ওয়াজ সাচ আ সেক্টর that digital was not tapped in very well. It was a very unorganized sector. At least in India, it still is. We are still doing our bit into, collecting it and presenting it in the best manner. Kintu, that was my bit, and that is how I just sparked my career, and here I am at Central Park, handling my own marketing team, handling the entire marketing for the luxury segment of the company. So I'm very, very proud of where I have been. Thank you. First and foremost would be to understand what you want to do. I had my road very clear, where I want to dive into. So I think that self-assessment, self-guarantee about what I want, that really helped me, and so does it to any individual for that matter. Self-assessment just by identifying your own skills, your strengths, your values that you want to inculcate in your service. I think that really helps. That not only helps you to set out your career goals and objectives, but it also helps you to derive your career capital. Now, অনেক কেউ আমায় জিজ্ঞেস করবে, what is career capital? ঠিক আছে, career capital for someone who is starting off their career, or to someone who is in the nascent stage of their career and wants to build it on from there. So I think career capital তোমার শুরু হয় নলেজ থেকে। তোমার কত নলেজ আছে ওই স্ট্রিম ইয়া ওই সেক্টরে যেটাতে তুমি ঢুকতে চাও। I'm not talking about a specific organization. Of course, that organization will belong to a sector. কিন্তু ওই সেক্টরের নলেজ, ওই সেক্টরের অ্যাওয়ারনেসটা তোমায় একটা ক্যাপাবিলিটি আনবে, it will automatically make you stand out from the rest, right? So I think that career capital point one really helps. And I think next would be the reputation. Now, reputation not only in your corporate circle or circuit helps, but it's also about your personal space, because that is where you start from. তুমি কোনো বিজনেস যখন শুনবে না, ওটা একটা মার সাথে শেয়ার হয়, ওই বিজনেস আইডিয়াটা মার সাথে শেয়ার হয়, বাবার সাথে শেয়ার হয়, ইয়া হাজবেন্ডের সাথে শেয়ার হয়, howsoever, it's always your first family or friend who comes in. তো ওই রেপুটেশন তুমি যে বিল্ড আউট করো, আর তোমার আশেপাশের লোক ওটাকে কিরম করে রেসপন্স দেয়, ওটা তোমায় আইডেন্টিফাই করবার অনেক হেল্প করবে কি তোমার কিরম রেপুটেশন, what are you known for even in your close circle, and that will again help you identify what is your skill set with it. All right, so I think that is second. Third would be resources. Resources is of course ক্যাপিটালে অনেক কিছু রিসোর্সেস, তোমার নলেজ রিসোর্স হচ্ছে, তোমার স্কিলস রিসোর্স হচ্ছে, how aware are you into your sector, what is trending into that sector, what is your next step that you are going to take or want to take, at least in your head, how planned are you, all of this comes under your own resources. I think building that on, আর ওটাকে একটা next step নিয়ে যাওয়া, that is something that adds up to your self-assessment process. And fourth and foremost, I can't say it enough, you will hear this word quite a lot throughout the session today, that is network. Let's just be honest, we are into that society where networking is the key, where people are your prized possession, the people are your main resources that you actually play with. So I think that becomes your USP as well. Are you a people's person? Can you actually assess yourself according to how people see you as? I think if you have that career capital right framed in your head, in case তুমি জানো কি আমি এই চারটে পয়েন্টস নিজের জন্য অলরেডি আমি এটাতে কাজ করছি, আর ইন সাম টাইম সেট আ টাইমলাইন ফর ইয়োরসেলফ, আর ওই টাইমলাইনে তুমি ওটাকে মিট করতে পারছো, I think you are halfway done. You have set out of 100%, I think 70% তুমি অনেক এগিয়ে গেছো ওটাতে. So I think yes, that career capital would be the thing that I would leave. Resume, call it CV, curricular weighted. That's how we address it. Let's just be honest, that's the face. You are the product and that's the face of the product, right? তোমার যেরকম আমাদের পুরো বডির জন্য আমাদের ফেস stays a lot. আমার ফেস, আমি এখন চুপ থাকবো 2 মিনিট, আমার ফেস অনেক কিছু বলবে, আমি কি বলতে চাইবো, নেক্সট 10 মিনিটসে আমি কি বলবো. So I think that CV, that profile that you have created, that is the face of you, of the product that you're trying to sell. Eventually we are products and our services are to be sold, right? So I think descriptive CV goes without saying. It should be descriptive. Crafting an effective resume, I can't stress more on that, because your resume says a lot about you. But then it has to be strategized well. Your resume should contain everything you want to communicate. And further, তুমি যখন ওই পার্সন, হায়ারিং ম্যানেজার আর তোমার HR এর সাথে যখন তুমি দেখা করছো, you want the HR speaks or asks about those topics. I think ওটা তোমায় নিজের CV তে definitely put in করা উচিত. Try and avoid the things which you don't want to highlight or want to conceal out. You have to strategize the points that you're putting in there as well. So of course we all know about how keywords work, right? আজকালকার টাইমে তুমি একটা জব ডেসক্রিপশন দেখলে, তোমার CV তে দেখলে তুমি জব ডেসক্রিপশন ওখানটাও দেখছো, I mean তোমার পুরো কিওয়ার্ডস তুমি ওর হিসেবে তুমি পিক আপ করে ওখানটা ইন্টিগ্রেট করে দেবে, রাইট? কিন্তু ওই ইন প্রেজেন্স অফ দোজ কিওয়ার্ডস এজ ওয়েল, ইউ নিড টু হ্যাভ আ ক্লিয়ার ন্যারেটিভ. তোমার ক্লিয়ার ন্যারেটিভে কি হবে, ওই কিওয়ার্ডসকে তুমি কিরকম করে সাপোর্ট করছো, ওটা অনেক বড় একটা চ্যালেঞ্জ হয়. So in an ideal situation, how a hiring process actually starts is, of course, HR একটা job description create করলো, ওটা put out করলো on any network channel. That is a separate segment altogether. But for instance, এখন LinkedIn নিয়ে নিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? LinkedIn এ একটা পোস্ট করলো, ওটাতে out of around 100 to 200 applications ওর কাছে যাবে per day, right? ওই 200টা ইয়া 100 এখন নিয়ে নিচ্ছি হাইপোথেটিক্যাল ফিগার, ওই 100টা অ্যাপ্লিকেশনসে 70 অ্যাপ্লিকেশনস এনিওয়েজ রিজেক্ট হয়ে যায়, কেন কি দে জাস্ট স্পেন্ড अराउंड 3 seconds to view the first glance, and that is the challenge. How do you tap his or her attention into that first glance? কেন কি আমরা এখন ডিজিটাল এজে আমাদের টাইম স্প্যান onto certain thing anyways আমাদের কমে গেছে, রাইট? তো ওইটাতে তোমার কিওয়ার্ডস গুলো কাজে আসে, how much are they matching, but from there next 3 seconds that they will invest is it making them curious to know more, read more into your profile? Now that's the narrative I'm talking about. Now is it supported enough? Like for example, তুমি অনেক সব হার্ড এন্ড সফট স্কিলস মেনশন করেছো নিজের বইটাতে, ঠিক আছে? যেরকম আমি নিজের পার্সোনাল এক্সপেরিয়েন্স থেকে বলছি, আমি একটা টিম প্লেয়ার হচ্ছি, which I am very very proud of. আমার in every organization where I've worked in, I've always put this soft skill as that has a dominant position in my CV, all right? I'm a team player, but how do I support? For example, in one of the interviews, that was a question that, okay, you're a team player, can you tell me how do you came to that assessment that you're a team player? You're not a sole worker, you don't function or deliver most when you're dominantly working on a project. So I was like, I assessed myself and I told the person, right, that I have created a social campaign that delivered around 20% growth by working with the projects team, with the operations team. If I was doing it individually on my end with the marketing team, probably that 20% would have been a withhold. Maybe I would have acquired that 80%, but that 20% was because of the collaboration that I did with the stakeholders and the concerned teams. So again, that brings me to focus on the points that whatever narrative you're picking, you have collaborative achievements to support what you are claiming. That may be your hard skill, that may be your soft skill, that may be your ability to communicate further. So I think that's a fair amount. I think সবাই অনেক fair amount of points নিয়েছে হবে পুরো interaction থেকে. How to build up your resume on that. A little bit of do's and don'ts. See, navigating the job market in nowadays, there are no do's and don'ts to it. There are no channels defined. Of course, LinkedIn, Naukri, all of us know about it. Times, jobs, everything goes without saying. I'm not going to mention the cliche. Amra shobai ota jani, right? Let's talk about the untapped circle. Let's talk about the 5 friends that you are spending your most amount of time with. Because that's the, you become the average of the 5 people that you spend most amount of time with. And that is your circle that you can actually entail into navigating the job market. Because essentially, you get a lot of information about different sectors with those 5 people that may be in the same segment as well, but everyone may have different interpretations of the same thing being said. All right. So it's very important to navigate the job market, not funneling it through the identified channels only, but also considering one. I'll just give an example first and then I'll come to this point. All right. Hypothetically, you're at a party. All right. This is your personal time right now. I'm not even talking about the corporate time or the 9 to 5 job time right now. All right. You're at a party. You're meeting someone, even the person who is pouring a drink for you. Even that is a circle where you will gain knowledge about how the job market is going, at least in their sector. All right. For example, you are very, very interested into getting into the F&B business. That bartender can contribute 10% of your knowledge and resource addition, which I spoke about earlier, into your career capital. He can also contribute into that entire segment. And you don't even know that you are into that process of, delivering to your career capital within. So I think that is very much important. Not restricting yourself to the traditional paths, but also exploring networking to another level. Now, networking can be with a vision. It also can be on a daily basis when you are not looking for something, but that also is a networking process within. So I think that is something we sort of overwrite on, কিন্তু ওটাতে আমরা যখন actually focus করবো না, ওটা আমাদের অনেক কিছু রিটার্নে দিতে পারে. So I think that is one of the highlight pointers. Apart from that, অনেক কেউ আমাদের যারা জয়েন করেছে ওরা এন্ট্রি লেভেল জবসেও অনেকেও দেখছে নিজের পজিশনস, রাইট? তো ওটাতে তোমার জন্য অনেক ইম্পর্টেন্ট কি তুমি নিজের ডিজায়ার্ড ইন্ডাস্ট্রিকে ফলো করো. ওই ডিজায়ার্ড ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে কি কোম্পানিজ তুমি অনেক বেশি ইন্টারেস্টেড অন, at least have a list of that. All right. And within that, from your schooling, from your graduation, from your internships, trainings, anything, any circle that may be, even the locality where you are living, try and find out if there is someone who is within those 10 or 12 or 20 names that you have identified already. So I think having that captivative mind towards picking up and trying to nurture your relationships in that sector, I think that is where your main area of expertise should be, as in Shark Tank. So I think, yes, that is a process that you can start with, and that can be an immediate effect right from now, as Shrang asked me the next question. I'll give you one example of that. What was Steve Jobs? He's a chalta firta case study for all of us, right? Facebook, I mean Meta now, HP, I can give you a countless list of the organizations. এটাতে সবাই তোমার সেম সেক্টরে ওখানটা হায়ারিং হয় না. So I think that answers your question ki aajkal na, if you were asking me the same question maybe 12 years ago, I wouldn't have given you the same answer. I would have reiterated the point ki education onek beshi important. Education is still important, but the avenues that education, any kind of education or any sector of education, that may be an education for 5th standard, 6th standard, that also contributes to the larger living that you want to have. But yes, I can't take away the fact that we are living in a society where education plays the main part. And having that education and leveraging the best out of it, if you can maybe attain 70% with the trending market, with your own capabilities, that is great. But if you have that education push to yourself, you will be able to attain that 95% very easily. So it bridges that gap. So education, yes, you cannot neglect that part. But yes, having a sectoral education and how it is going to and how it can be utilized in some other sector, that is a different ball game in now times, and we are not restricted by it anymore. I think the first and foremost thing that comes to my mind is mastering the application process. All right. You have to understand the job descriptions for what you are applying for. All right. I think I just mentioned it. Tags and keywords, those are the usual processes that one has to abide by, because that is how the market actually works. In case anyone has any question regarding that, please put it out on the chat. Now, as I was telling you about that, how do you master the application process? First and foremost would be that you understand the job description and then apply your self-assessment, how well you actually fit in there. All right. Now, then you have to make sure that you tailor your application for the concerned job. তুমি একটা জব অ্যাপ্লিকেশন লাগিয়েছো, ফর এক্সাম্পল একটা রিটেল সেগমেন্টে মার্কেটিং এ, ঠিক আছে, আর তুমি নেক্সট অ্যাপ্লিকেশন জাস্ট বিকজ ইট ইজ আ মার্কেটিং ফাংশন, নেক্সট তুমি রিয়েল এস্টেট সেক্টরে লাগিয়েছো, those two won't match. It is subject to the sector, it is subject to lot of other things that a job description gives you. So you have to tailor it according to the requirement. All right. অনেক কেউ আমি শুনেছি কি আউট অফ ডেসপারেশন কি করে, ও জব চাই একটা রেজিউমে দে, আমি আই উইল পুট ইন মাই বানা, একটা সিভি লাগাই, আর ওটা আমি বিনা পড়ে টোড়ে আমি বাস অ্যাপ্লাই করতে থাকি, because I have dedicated that 1 hour to myself of applying for jobs in that group. That is not how it is done, my friend. You have to apply in a little bit more effort into it if you are actually wanting to get in there. I'll tell you one thing, all right? Only you take responsibility of your group, all right? There's no one coming for you. And that is the hardcore reality of the corporate, right? Not only corporate, that's the reality of today's lifestyle. So you have to put in those extra effort into making your resume tailor-made, which that HR person would go through, and within those 3 seconds, that person will be curious to know more. You have to do this exercise each and every time. Next, which I can think of, is that you need to have very, very effective strategy, all right? Kono job post, jerom amar kache, in case I have put in a job post and I require a graphic designer maybe, all right? What would be the best time that I would want to see that graphic designer application? Maybe by the end of the day, maybe towards the end of the week, because that is when I am, the soft tasks are attested to. আমি যখন মানডে কাজে ঢুকছি, আমার ফার্স্ট প্রায়োরিটি এটা হবে না কি আমি একটা জব হায়ারিং করবার, দো আমার কাজ ওটার জন্য এফেক্ট হচ্ছে, কিন্তু আমার ফার্স্ট প্রায়োরিটি হবে আমার যে কাজগুলো হচ্ছে আমার কি ল্যাগ আছে, কেন কি there is 2 days which has been a gap in between, right? So you have to strategize your timing as well according to that. And I think next, in case তুমি ওটাও করেছো, you have reached the second stage. Next would be being consistent in your approach. Can ki tomar bar follow up meals. Now you don't have to be after their lives, all right? That is something, especially in entry level positions, a lot of people do. That is not how you do it in corporate. If you do it, if you have even done it twice or thrice, your chances anyway, you only minimize. That's not your CV, that's not your experience, but you. All right. So you need to strategize that. Your follow-up etiquettes need to be on point. আমি ইন কেস আজকে পাঠিয়েছি, আমার ইন্টারাকশন গেছে, তুমি এইচআর কে মেসেজ করে অলরেডি জিজ্ঞেস করে নাও, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর দিস অপরচুনিটি, আমাদের এই কনভারসেশন হলো, তোমার কি লাগে, তোমার কি টাইমলাইন হবে টু গেট ব্যাক টু মি। get a timeline from the HR person, wait for that timeline, and then reach them out. That shows how much you respect their time also. You also act as a reminder that how eager you are to work with them. So there's a very thin line, but you need to master it. And as and when you start, incorporating this in your process, all the more you become more closer to your dream job from there. Just give you one point, all right? That term, embarrassment, just throw it out of your dictionary. It's okay to reach out people when you're starting. It shows the best side of you, it not the worst. And just, you need to wear it with confidence when you're reaching out someone. And networking, especially for an entry level position, for anyone, everyone wants to see the zeal in you. And if that zeal sort of tells you, okay, probably I should reach this person because this person can help me fetch a guy's number who is working in my dream job company. Nothing wrong, my friend. ওই পুরো চ্যানেলটাকে তোমায় ডেফিনেটলি এক্সপ্লোর করা উচিত। এটাতে তুমি একদম বেঁধে যেও না কি ও কি ভাববে, ওই লোকটা কি ভাববে যাকে আমি চিনি না আর ওকে অলরেডি রিচ আউট করছি এই পজিশনের জন্য। ডোন্ট গেট এনট্যাঙ্গলড ইনটু দিস প্রসেস, অলরাইট? তোমার কনফিডেন্স তোমার জন্য যেই কথাটা বলতে পারে ওটা তোমার ওয়ার্ডসও বলতে পারবে না। So it's that confidence, it's that zeal that every person appreciates, especially for the entry level people. Now, if you ask me the same question of the people who are already into the segment and how they can sort of master it out, I think there are a lot of networking events that you need to participate into, all right? That definitely helps you to know more and more people, build and maintain professional relationships. That may be a simple person je tomar first visiting card print kore diyeche, as simple as that one, to the person who has been your boss, who has been the head of some other function which you might not be working for. But everything is on networking. Every person is your asset. So I think that is a resource that you need to work on building it out. It should not, so the moment you see it constricting, 1 year a recap karo, or maybe a quarter a recap karo. What has been your progress in the capital requirements that I mentioned right in my first point? Go back to that. Just see how well you have improved your capital and what are the entitlements you have actually fetched into that. So that will answer all your thoughts, all your queries within this process. And again, embarrassment, shy, please throw these words out of the window, because into corporate, these are not the terms people look for. People appreciate that with the zeal. But then, of course, again, I'm also plugging in the corporate etiquettes that I just mentioned about. Karur pechone hath dhuye pore jabar nei. You should know where that thin line comes, and you should know how you can approach that situation. And please, lastly, I will also mention that personal, professional, both, seek help. Seeking help does not make you feel low. Seeking help doesn't make you feel needy. Seeking help is a way of life for humans. That is how we are wired. So let's just accept that, and that is perfectly fine. Let's just make seeking help absolutely fine, absolutely normal. I'll start with the point that everyone have their own ways of handling a rejection. That may be personal, that may be professional, all right? I will talk about the next step on that. How do you overcome? Because that is a challenge that you have faced. I think how I have approached it in my life and how I have actually seen it in few candidates, which I was very, very pleased with, was that in case they can reach me, I have actually entertained that in my past experience, or I have heard that they have reached out to the HR manager. Even if they were not selected, they would want to know why they weren't. It just helps them to improve themselves. It just helps them know which place they are into this entire process. I think I will suggest to half of the people who are the listeners and viewers at this session that you have your own ways to deal with your rejections, কিন্তু ওটা তোমার উপর, তুমি ওটা থেকে what will be the takeaway for you, তুমি ওই চ্যালেঞ্জেস কে কিরম করে ওভারকাম করবে, তুমি কিরম করে রেজিলিয়েন্ট থাকবে, তুমি কিরম করে কমিটেড থাকবে তুমি যেটা চাও ওটার জন্য, that is completely up to you. Try to take the positives and neglect the negatives out of this. I think that would be the best way to handle a rejection, because it's very important for you to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Ask me for the last bit. I think all I would say is just take the job that makes you uncomfortable. You will grow the best at that place. I do that for myself. I hope you are able to do that for yourself too.